Somalia has a population that's growing very fast, that's urbanizing very fast. Unfortunately, the environment has been badly damaged through conflict, through unregulated exploitation of forests and pasture lands. And so using fossil fuels is very bad in terms of protecting the natural environment upon which so many people depend.
So now from this side, from here, we are stepping up. From the UK, from the explorers and the Chinese, explorers and the Indians, because we know the quality.
There's opportunities for new investment, so investing in renewable energy sources and trying to bring the cost of energy down in ways that are good for the consumer but also protect the environment. And perhaps bring communities together, because one option is if people have solar panels, and if you can have solar panels on your house or in your village or in your street, you can actually contribute energy to the grid. And it's good for strengthening local relations as well. So there's lots of big benefits.
We invested as a Beco, as of today, we have invested $73 million. Sustainable energy is the key. If we don't invest in that, that means we're not investing in anything. Look, we have a very good sunny. Somalia, we have more than 5 hours per day. So it's real investment is the renewable energy in Somalia, and that's what we are doing now. Whenever we invest 2.5 megawatt of solar, we cut 10,000 barrels of diesel, which means, we are cutting carbon dioxide from the air. So it's a real investment to invest in renewable energy.